How to check if your phone is being taped. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you will find this kind of screen beside your camera. Your camera has a dot. It may be green dot or orange dot. Also, your microphone is turned on if even though you don't have any apps open, it means you're being taped. Another way is click on Settings, search Screen Time, click on Digital Wellbeing, then click on View Activity Details. After that, you'll find all your apps and check if there is unwanted apps. If you have not used the app and there is screen time for the app, that also means you're being taped. What you can do is simply turn on airplane mode and then go to any shop to repair it. This is how to check if your phone is being taped. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.